Hey you guys, this is Jenny, founder of Planner Perfect, and I am back again with another video to do the June sub box reveal. You are not gonna want to miss. Okay, you guys, welcome back. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and I teach women how to write a better story for their lives. I'm also a homeschooling mom of 8. Welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, I hope that you do. I love to bring new content on how you can live your best life. So today I'm going to be revealing and giving you a sneak peek of a planner and journal subscription box. If you want to be surprised when your sub box comes, then don't look at this video. But if you are into sneak peeks, then let's go. Guys, welcome back. Here we are. I have already taken everything out of the packaging. Everything is protected in here and within certain cloths and packaging, but I needed to take it out. So it's just easy to just dive in and show you exactly what this box is all about. So this is for June, and this is going to be, it's got that summer beachy vibe. And this is the first time that I've painted a beach vibe per se on the covers, and so I'm glad to bring this out to you. I thought that it turned out beautifully. I actually used oil pastels for both the planner and the journal. It does have the same on the back cover. I really sometimes do opt to do the same art on the back just so you can still enjoy it when you look to the back of it. So I hope that you love it as much as I do. I thought the colors were vibrant. I thought that it turned out absolutely gorgeous. And everything about it just screams summer. And so, of course, it is our same system and method on the inside where you have your calendar and your goals, and it has your week at a glance, and then your blank pages for your room to script. Be sure to check out my other videos for how to get started using this method if you're new. It truly is a game changer. So here is the journal. I thought this was so cute, and I really, really loved this quote. Never give up, for that is just the place and time that the tide will turn. And this was actually a very long horizontal painting, and so it reflects itself on the back. And if you'll notice this little cutie that we stuck also my shell on the back of the brand's name, our brand's name. So I thought that turned out really, really cute, and everything it's just such a beachy, beautiful, beautiful feel. Here are the stickers. Some of these we love to pull out from last year because they are put away and never brought out again until the following year with the addition of new artwork that's in it. So here we pulled back and brought back some of the cute little sunglasses. We've got the popsicles. This way to the beach, we brought back in the shells. And we have fun in the sun, and then we have the little beach scene here as well. So you get 2 sheets of those. I love the umbrella too. Look at how cute. This one is one of my all-time favorites from last year, and we brought it back, and it's got the flamingos and the beautiful blooming daisy and the bird and ice cream and pineapple. I mean, hello. So there's 2 sheets of those. The tip-ins, they turned out really, really good. You get 2 of each, 6 total. So we have the seashell, gorgeous. We've got popsicles. We then have the umbrella. Life is a beach. This is actually also going to go on planners and journals, so stay tuned for that, as well as the popsicles. We then have the pineapples. I thought the detail in this artwork was it turned out really, really, really good. Didn't it? It's perfect. I love it. Pineapples in summer go hand in hand. Got the flamingo and of course the beach scene. The washi, they couldn't have turned out more cute. Check it out, you guys. Yellow, the pineapple. Now with these, some of you will get this one, some of you will get this one, and some of you will get pink. It just depends, but I wanted to show you all three. Look at the beautiful water washi that's got like this marbly look, which makes it look like water in the beach. And so the gold from the pineapple and in this blue washi, it just so goes, as you can see. And it's just everything you need to map out a beautiful June, for sure. With everything to plan and map out a life that you absolutely love. Until next time, you guys.